Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I had issues with my Amazon Fire TV stick. It kept on rebooting, so I did a bit of searching and tried multiple things. I'll show you. So it's working fine now, but I tried many things to fix it. Well, first I had it plugged in straight to the USB in the TV, which made it reboot constantly. And then I plugged it to a power supply, and it was still rebooting. So I did a bit of searching around, and in the end, even if I tried different power supplies, it was still rebooting and restarting, especially when I try to play demanding games like the shark game. And so what fixed it was when I replaced the USB cord. Yeah, that's after I replaced that, it had no issues after that, and it yeah, never rebooted again, which is awesome. So yeah, if you have this issue, you can try different power supplies, even try removing the adapter and using the HDMI straight to the TV. But first of all, try a different USB cable and see if that fixes it. And yeah, there you have it. This works fine. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you, bye bye.